if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it isn't what you need.
What is up, you guys? Today I wanted to show you guys how to make this white chocolate buttercream. It's just so good. So you're gonna need 4 sticks of butter, room temperature. Also, you're going to need 8 cups of powdered sugar, and you're going to need vanilla extract, preferably pure vanilla extract, and you're going to need half a tablespoon of that. A spatula to scrape down the sides of your bowl. And today I'm going to be using a stand mixer. You can use a hand mixer, but if you're using a hand mixer, you're going to be getting an arm workout. And also, if you're using a stand mixer, make sure you have the paddle attachment. And then you're also going to need milk. You can use heavy cream, you can use soy milk, almond milk, any of your choice. And for right now, we're going to start by incorporating the butter. I cut them up in chunks like this, so it's easier for them to break apart and get creamy. So I'm just going to put this into my mixer, and I'm going to put it on a pretty high speed, I'd say medium speed, so that I can get it nice and fluffy. After your buttercream is nice and creamy, this is how it should look. It should look like a nice, fluffy, white, almost like whipped cream. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take my powdered sugar. I have a bag here that is 2 pounds, but you're gonna need 8 cups from this bag, so you're probably gonna have just a little bit of this bag left over. So I'm gonna eyeball it and slowly add it into my buttercream. And when I mean slowly, literally slowly, so you don't have an explosion of powdered sugar all over your face. So as you can see, the buttercream is still pretty thick, so we'll loosen that up later. But for now, we're going to incorporate our white chocolate. I'm using this Ghirardelli white chocolate bar that I bought at Publix, and I'm just going to melt it in the microwave on 15-minute intervals until it's nice and smooth. My chocolate is now all melted, so I'm going to go ahead and just incorporate that into the buttercream. So now I'm going to add my vanilla extract. I'm using this one here, and I'm going to add half a tablespoon into my buttercream. for some extra flavor. And then I'm going to keep stirring that on slow speed. As you can see here, the buttercream is still a little bit thick. It's nice and creamy, but we're going to get it a little bit more creamy so it's pipeable. So I'm going to go ahead and add my milk or whatever dairy that you're using. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk into the buttercream, and that's going to give it a nice creamy finish. So this is how you want your buttercream to look. It's nice and creamy, there's barely any air bubbles in there, and it's like the perfect consistency for piping cupcakes and icing your cake and getting a nice crumb coat. And that is it, you guys. Nice creamy white chocolate buttercream. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you as part of the family. And also if you're interested in seeing my work, I'm on Instagram at SweetCasaCakes. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you.